When you're looking for a button maker, you might wonder why some button machines, such as those made in China, are so much cheaper than others. As is often the case, a lower initial price may not tell the whole story. When choosing a button maker, it's important to consider the overall design and manufacturing quality. The precision of the equipment you're using to make buttons will have a tremendous impact on the quality of the buttons you make or on the amount of frustration you'll feel when your efforts result in a large number of defective buttons. For example, some of the button machines made in China have a variety of design flaws. We've seen machines that use a sliding design for the button maker dies. What's wrong with that? Well, the sliding design introduces a variety of challenges. First, the sliding mechanism is cumbersome and does not slide smoothly. It is stopped by screws at either end, which over time will typically become damaged and warped, altering the die alignment. Many of these machines include interchangeable dies that don't even attach securely to the sliding base plate, which in turn is made of cheap material. We found that this can lead to damage of the mounting holes, so the dies will no longer align properly. You may also find that the die components include springs that are not locked in place. That enables the springs to move, stretch, and even fall out, resulting in a button maker that can't make buttons. Safety and usability are also important concerns when choosing a button maker. When a new button machine arrives, you will certainly want to get started making great buttons right away. But with many manufacturers, you'll find that there is some assembly required. When you buy from American button machines, all of the components are already assembled for you, so you can get started making great buttons right away. When manufacturers cut corners, you may cut your hand on their machine. We have found that button machines made in China often have very sharp edges, which can make using their products dangerous. In some cases, machines may have a center of gravity that is too high, with a base that is too small and made of plastic, so that even with normal use, the machine can lift up from the table and even fall over. So, what are some of the warning signs of the poorly designed machines? There are a few things to look for. A cheap knockoff, of course, won't have a patent number on the product. If the sizes of parts and supplies are listed in millimeters rather than inches, that may also be an indication that the products are not American-made. Cheap materials or removable dies are also indications of poor construction and a lack of precision. If you want to be confident you are buying the best quality button maker and supplies made in the USA, we at American Button Machines would be happy to talk with you. Perhaps one of the most important things to consider when choosing which button maker to buy is the support you will receive from the company you buy from. Especially with non-standard button sizes, you may discover it is difficult to find supplies or replacement parts. At American Button Machines, we have warehouses with hundreds of button-making machines, numerous replacement parts, and millions of button-making supplies in stock. We also provide a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. And if you ever have a question or problem, we have a knowledgeable staff you can reach on the phone or online chat to get the answers you need. American Button Machines is proud to sell quality products manufactured in the USA, shipped from our warehouses in the USA, and supported by our staff in the USA that provides you with the home team advantage.